Droppin. Droppin.
Yeah!
Yun! Yoo-hoo-hoo! Moxie, one more time. Triple gap. Clear! Bulaga! Bike check of Mr. Send It. The only person who jumps on a hardtail in our group. Hardcore hardtail from Marin to Moxie. So guys, let's check his, oh my god, I don't know what to say, luxurious bike. The frame sizing for Moxie is called longish, equivalent to small. As you can see, special feature, adjustable. You can adjust this to make it longer. The tandem, DVO Onyx D1. All green baby, candy candy. So cockpit, we do have, oh my god, titanium baby. It's titanium. Roost titanium. Same is the AT. Handlebar is roost titanium. Oh my god. We have Hope parts. Hope spacers. Oh my gosh. So let's zoom. It's a Hope. Headset Hope. Oh wow. We still have the Magura MT5 loose riders grips. And this is a GX group set. PNW dropper lever, fabric saddle, Hope cranks. Oh my god, we got a DMR pedal. This is a Brandog G1. Oh, Brandog 1 volt. So we have a GX drivetrain or rear derailleur, Magic Mary tires, Hope hubs. We got Hope hubs, Hope Pro, Pro 4. Sunrays cassette, and yeah, Schwalbe Magic Mary front and back, 27.5, and that bell. Total price, you guess. So you've seen the parts: DVO, Moxie, Hope, DMR, DT, Roost, Loose Riders, GX Lunar. We have Magura, PNW dropper seat post, and fabric saddle. So there you have it, guys. Let's talk to the owner. Yeah. So Mr. Send It, what's your final thoughts with your bike?
I love it.
That's it, guys. He loves it. So we have an achiever unlocker, Mr. Papa Vhong.
Yeah.
So it's been a while, 2 months no ride. 2 months no ride, but no run-ins. Just drop-ins.
Just send it.
Just send it.
Yeah!
So guys, it's just a short Monday for us. And yeah, there you have it. Ride safe, ride strong. Pag hindi kaya, pajak chabi lang. Mr. Send It. Mr. Send it. Ride strong. Pajak chubby lang. Uy, putang dulas. Dulas ka agad ako. Dulas pala eh. Oy! Bong, ingat, may stick ha! Wala na po si Mr. Sendit. Grabe, sa tuhod. Siguro, hindi mo?